Today, we're learning how to use some and any. These words help us to talk about amounts or things we do or don't have. Let's learn together. Can you say them with me? Some, any. When to use some. We use some when you're talking about an amount of something without saying the exact number. It's mostly used in positive statements. I have some books. This means I have a few books, but I didn't count them. We need some milk. She has some friends. When to use any. We use any when asking questions or talking about things we don't have in negatives. Do you have any bananas? I don't have any bananas. I don't have any money. Do you have any water? Practice time. Let's practice with some sentences. Can you tell if it's some or any? Ready? Can I have more cake, please? Can I have some more cake, please? Are there chairs available? Are there any chairs available? I don't have time right now. I don't have any time right now. Would you like coffee? Would you like some coffee? Quick review. Use some in positive sentences when there's a small or certain amount of something. Use any in questions and negatives. Fantastic work today. You learned how to use some and any. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.